Make your own magnetic needle. For this you would require ordinary needle, a very strong magnet and 2 styrofoam balls. Take the needle and rub it with the strong magnet. Move it from left to right and then lift the magnet and keep repeating this process of rubbing and lifting for about 25 times. Then the needle would be magnetized. Now fix 2 styrofoam balls. These balls will enable the magnetic needle to float in a bowl of water. Now take this magnetic needle and just place it in a bowl of water, and you'll be surprised that the needle just rotates and orients itself to the north and south. You can compare this with the magnetic needle kept on the table, that both of them point to the same direction. So this is a very simple way of converting an ordinary needle into a magnetic needle.